Namaste. So let's take a look at one of the challenging poses in Ashtanga primary series. This is the first pose called Bhuja Pidasana. First pose, which is arm balancing position, where you're holding almost all of the body weight for such a long time. This is first arm balancing pose in Ashtanga primary series. So let me show you some ways to get into this position and what I would say that why some people cannot perform this. In this video, I may not be telling you some exercises to get better, but you will have an idea that what you need to work for. So let me show you the ways to get into this position. I'll first show the traditional way. Starting from down dog. Hold here for 5 breaths. Back up. Straighten the legs. This is like kind of advanced way. In the beginning, a person is unable to jump all the way. Okay, jump outside the feet. Once the person jumps outside the feet, what he should be trying to do is trying to walk the shoulder under by hinging from the hip as much as he can. Once a person is able to keep the shoulders under the knees, heels can be walked closer. Feet should be width apart or slightly closer, even with better. The closer the feet are, and the easier you can keep your shoulder under and behind the knees, it will be easy for you to place your hands. So I would say the qualification for this position is, if you can hide your shoulder behind the knees and place your palm flat behind. If you can perform this position, there is generally not much to do with this. It is just that you have to learn to find balance, which is not so difficult because body is so compact here. It's not like complete handstand. It becomes easier to find balance in position like crow pose and Bhuja Pidasana as compared to handstand, because there is like body is too long there and it's difficult to balance. But in this position, once you are able to keep your shoulder under behind the knee and palm flat behind the heels, the only thing you need to do is squeeze the knees to the shoulder and resist with the shoulder by opening the chest, and simply keep the hips backward, like supported with the elbows, and then your feet will start lifting themselves. If you are comfortable here, cross the ankles. If not, being a beginner, maybe keep the feet still down and try to just lift this body weight with your hands. This is already a lot of body weight if you are a beginner. But if you are feeling very comfortable here, maybe raise the feet off, cross the ankles. For a beginner, instead of dropping the chin down, keeping the feet down and simply bow your head down. But if you do this, keeping the feet down will take the pressure off the hand, and this posture will not be so arm balancing. So keep the feet off, just bow your head down. This will be a good modification for the person. And stay here for 5 to 8 breaths. Then inhale, lift your head up. Now generally we go for firefly here as we did before. If you are unable to do firefly here, drop the hips down. I call it baby firefly. So what you try is, try to keep your palm slightly wide, resist with the elbows, and try to straighten the legs. So you're not balancing on the arms, but you're working on the movement which is required for firefly. From here, you can simply transition and try to perform crow pose. Maybe one leg, then the other leg, and then step back for chaturanga high plank, and then do all of that. Now, as I showed you that what you must be able to do and to get into this position, in order to get into this position, is being able to hide your shoulders behind and under the knee, one thing, and another thing, placing the palm behind the heel flat. If your palms are not flat under behind the heels, it will be challenging. So what you need to work for in order to get there is improve the hinging action for your hip so that you are able to get there. So I hope you understood what you need to work on. Find your exercises what helps you get better into that hinging action. Position like Prasarita Padottanasana, wide leg forward fold is very good. Your Marichyasana is good position for this. These positions will be helpful. You can otherwise also add some other exercise to get better with this. Thank you. Namaste.